Hello friends, this is Jasmeer Bhatia from Landmark Immigration, and Landmark Immigration in this field, education industry is working from 13 years, and we are trying to solve all your queries and giving you possible options. So today also I'm going to discuss course options for graduate students or even postgraduate students in the business field. So first of all, I want to tell you that anybody, any stream, any graduate student can do business stream programs. Any graduate stream. So it is not that only certain people can do business related programs, but any graduate can do any business related programs. So let me start with North Island College, British Columbia, which is offering postgraduate diploma in global business management, which is also offering professional accounting postgraduate diploma. So professional accounting, I will guide BCom or MCom students or BBA students if they want to do in accounting. And it's a really great program. But global business management, any graduate can apply for global business management. Then we'll talk about Selkirk College, which is also in British Columbia, and the fees is around $11,000 to $12,000, which is also very affordable college. And they are also offering postgraduate diploma in business management. Then Selkirk College is also offering postgraduate diploma in accounting. Then Saskatchewan Polytechnic, which is in Saskatchewan province, they are offering postgraduate diploma in business management and postgraduate diploma in financial services. So, and then we come to Loyalist College, which have their campus in Belleville and in Mississauga. So they are offering few programs related to business. One is human resource management postgraduate diploma, one is project management, one is global business management, one is supply chain management and hospitality management. So postgraduate, these are all postgraduate diploma which are offered by Loyalist College, and the eligibility criteria is 6.5, no band less than 6. So Lambton College is also offering very attractive postgraduate diplomas in business management, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ postgraduate diploma in business management, postgraduate diploma in human resource management, postgraduate diploma in financial planning and wealth management, postgraduate diploma in marketing and professional sales, postgraduate diploma in supply chain management, and postgraduate diploma in business management specialization international business. But Lambton College ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ requirement ਹੈ that is 6.5, no band less than 6. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ Toronto and Mississauga campus is already closed for January, and you can apply for Sarnia campus if you are looking to apply in Lambton College. Niagara College is also offering postgraduate diploma in human resource management and international business management for January. Seats are limited, apply as soon as possible. And Niagara College and Lambton College are giving application fee waiver, so you can save $100. So you ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ $100 ਵੀ save ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. St. Lawrence College is also offering postgraduate diploma in international business management. In St. Lawrence College, which has their campus in Brockville and Kingston, they are offering in Ontario, and they are offering postgraduate diploma in logistic and supply chain management also. So St. Clair College, Windsor is offering postgraduate diploma in international business management and also postgraduate diploma in human resource management, whereas St. Clair College requirement to get into postgraduate course is overall 6 bands. Vancouver Community College, which is again a popular college, is offering Canadian business management and business project management, 2 programs for postgraduate. And Cambrian College, which have their campus in Sudbury and they also have their campus in Brampton and Toronto, they are offering 2 programs related to even 3 programs. One is postgraduate diploma in international business management and postgraduate diploma in human resource management and postgraduate diploma in organizational management. I know मैं थोड़ा जिहा तेज बोल रहा but all the programs are really interesting. And students, please note down if you're interested in these programs, get in touch with us, and whatever I'm telling you, we are directly representing all these institutes and we will guide you in a right way. KPU ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਮਨਪਸੰਦ ਕਾਲਜ ਹੈਗਾ ਸਰੀ ਵਿੱਚ, ਐਂਡ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਜਾਣਾ ਪਸੰਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਨ. ਬ੍ਰਿਟਿਸ਼ ਕੋਲੰਬੀਆ ਸਰੀ ਇੱਕ ਟੌਪ ਡੈਸਟੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ. ਸੋ KPU ਜਿਹਦੀ ਰਿਕੁਆਇਰਮੈਂਟ 6.5, no band less than 6 ਹੈ. ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ, I think January seats are limited. You can apply for May intake. PG diploma in accounting, PG diploma in human resource management and PG diploma in operations and supply chain management are available with Quantum Polytechnic University. So also we are directly representing Quantum Polytechnic University. Algoma University is also offering postgraduate diploma in business and postgraduate diploma in human resource management, available in 2 locations in Ontario. एक ब्रैम्पटन ਜਿਹੜੀ कि बहुत मनपसंद है, एंड दूसरा सू सेंट मैरी ਜਿਹੜੀ RNIP ਦੇ अंडर आती है. सो यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कैनेडा वैस्ट कोई भी MBA ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, कोई भी स्टूडेंट, ਤੁਸੀਂ मास्टर हो, ग्रेजुएट हो, you can go to do an MBA. And in Vancouver city, downtown, in the heart of the city, you can do MBA. Interesting. I think mostly all the colleges I have visited myself 2 or 3 times in Canada, so that is why I can guide you in a right way. Seneca College is offering postgraduate diploma in international business management, postgraduate diploma in supply chain management, postgraduate diploma in global hospitality services leadership, postgraduate diploma in hospitality business development. ਸੋ ਬੈਚਲਰਸ ਇਨ ਹੌਸਪਿਟੈਲਿਟੀ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਵੀ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ, ਪਰ ਸੈਨਿਕਾ ਦੀ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਰਿਕੁਆਇਰਮੈਂਟ ਦੱਸਿਆ, ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ 7 bands ਟੂ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਫॉर ਅ ਪੋਸਟ ਗ੍ਰੈਜੂਏਟ ਡਿਪਲੋਮਾ. ਟ੍ਰਿਨਿਟੀ ਵੈਸਟਰਨ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਬ੍ਰਿਟਿਸ਼ ਕੋਲੰਬੀਆ 'ਚ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, MA ਹੈਲਥ ਲੀਡਰਸ਼ਿਪ, MA ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਲੀਡਰਸ਼ਿਪ, MA ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਲੀਡਰਸ਼ਿਪ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਟ੍ਰਿਨਿਟੀ ਵੈਸਟਰਨ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਬ੍ਰਿਟਿਸ਼ ਕੋਲੰਬੀਆ 'ਚ. ਸੋ ਕੋਨਸਟੋਗਾ ਕਾਲਜ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਸ ਆਫਰ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ. That is postgraduate diploma in financial planning, postgraduate diploma in human resource management, postgraduate diploma in global business management, postgraduate diploma in supply chain management, postgraduate diploma in strategic marketing communication are offered by Conestoga College, Kitchener, Ontario. बहुत मनपसंद कॉलेज है बहुत सारे बच्चों का, और बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स Conestoga College जाना पसंद करते हैं. उसदे नाल ही फ्लेमिंग कॉलेज जिहड़ा कि मनपसंद, अगेन वेरी गुड कॉलेज, ਪੀਟਰਸਬੋਰੋ 'ਚ ਹੈਗਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਾਲਜ, ਐਂਡ ਦੇ ਗਿਵ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਪਿਕਅਪ ਫਰੋਮ ਦ 에ਅਰਪੋਰਟ, ਟੋਰਾਂਟੋ 에ਅਰਪੋਰਟ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ. ਐਂਡ ਫਲੇਮਿੰਗ ਕਾਲਜ ਇਜ਼ ਆਲਸੋ ਵੈਰੀ ਹਾਈ ਇਨ ਡਿਮਾਂਡ. ਸੋ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਗਲੋਬਲ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਮੈਨੇਜਮੈਂਟ ਐਂਡ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਮੈਨੇਜਮੈਂਟ, ਐਂਡ ਈਵਨ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟ ਮੈਨੇਜਮੈਂਟ ਇਜ਼ देयर ਫਰੋਮ ਫਲੇਮਿੰਗ ਕਾਲਜ. ਸੋ ਯੂ ਕੈਨ ਅਪਲਾਈ. ਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਜ ਕੁਛ ਹੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਸ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕੀਤੇ ਆ. ਸੋ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਟਾਈਮ ਵੈਨ ਆਈ ਕਮ ਆਈ ਵਿਲ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਮੋਰ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਮੈਨੇਜਮੈਂਟ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਸ. ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਵੀਡੀਓ 'ਚ ਮੈਂ ਇੰਨਾ ਹੀ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹਾਂਗਾ. ਐਂਡ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜੇ ਇੰਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਕਾਲਜਿਸ 'ਚ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਲੈਂਡਮਾਰਕ ਇਮੀਗ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਟੀਮ ਨੂੰ ਕੰਟੈਕਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ 90413 90412 ਤੇ, ਔਰ ਈਵਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਈਮੇਲ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਆਪਣੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਫਾਈਲ, ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਹੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਗਾਈਡ ਕਰ ਸਕਾਂ, ਸਹੀ ਢੰਗ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਅਸੈਸਮੈਂਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਾਂ. ਮਾਈ ਈਮੇਲ ID is info@landmarkimmigration.com. So thank you so much for liking me and advising me to make this kind of informational videos, so that students are helped and they can get information about upcoming programs. So I think most of the programs are available for January, and you can apply for January or May intake. And I will advise again all the students to be positive, be motivated, and best of luck. Thank you.